I would not hold him if he bit me. Nice, but wanna get to know you. Look at his butt. Ooh, he just flashed us. Ooh, he's fluffy. Pet him. No. Pet him. What if he like bites me? He's not gonna bite you. Pet him. Will I start? Calm down. Oh, he looked at me. He looked at me. He's looking at me. Oh, his back. I'm scared. See? That's what he is. He's a he's a bird. He's not gonna. Aren't chickens birds? That means birds are chickens. Haven't you ever done math? Watch. Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. This feels so weird. I'm so scared. Let me see your finger. No. Look, come here. Why are you torturing me? I'm not. Look. Oh yeah, see, he likes you. Look. He doesn't like me. It's not that he doesn't like you. He doesn't know you. No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh god, what are you doing to my stomach? Oh, I was trying to get him on you. It's okay, he's on your back. That is so cute. He's just like on your back. Now he's on your back. Oh my god. He reminds me of a squirrel. Even though he's a bird. Oh gosh. Pet him. Go like this. Just pet him. He's not gonna bite you. Pet behind his neck. He likes that. Oh, he's getting fluffy. He likes that a lot. What was that noise? He just made a noise. Is he purring? Is he like a cat? Is he pooping? What is he doing? He's being relaxed. You should get that hairstyle, Gracie. Ooh, ooh. He's a big fluffy bird. He's like, no, I want to scratch my foot instead. Watch. My stomach is exposed. Oh god. Oh, you can't get up there. Is that better? See? Is he that bad? Is he really that scary? Just don't let him near my face. I'd get scared if he was. No, put him by your ear. You make me gag. I'm petting him. I'm petting him. Look, Mom, no hands. His name's Mac. Mac, right? Daddy. Mac Mel. That's what I thought when you said Mac. You know, they call him Mac Daddy. He was already named. Was the other one already named? The other one, yeah. So his name was Taco? Yeah. The people we got him from were Spanish. Mac. It's like a Big Mac and a Taco Bell. Oh, for real? For real?